Good morning everyone. Here with Zofia today. We're gonna roam around Ljubljana. She's taller. Everyone's taller than me. We're gonna try to go to the Ljubljana castle. Then I think we're gonna try a pizza place that gets recommended to me a lot. Just chill maybe.
Yeah,
after
I'm excited.
Yeah.
We haven't been in the castle for a while, neither one of us. So.
Yeah, it was ages ago that I went there. Got myself some breakfast, so I haven't eaten anything. And I convinced Zofia to try out my childhood nostalgic chocolate milk that I used to drink.
I'm gonna judge it.
Yeah, first impressions. Do you like it or not?
I do.
Okay.
It tastes very, I don't know why, it feels like it tastes homemade.
Yeah, it's
like,
nice.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like...
It's not too sugary,
I was expecting like the Monte style drink. But this is not. This is just chocolate. I don't know why I was expecting anything nutty. But
I think it's nice.
I haven't had chocolate milk in so long too.
Me neither. We are at the castle. It's over there. You can't see it. It's over there. There's a really nice view over here. We're not going inside the castle because you need to buy a ticket. We decided to come back another day when it's gonna be like proper blue skies, real nice weather, so we can go up to the tower as well and take some nice photos from there. If you want to walk up the castle, it's actually really quick. I don't know why, but I thought it would take us a lot longer, and that it's like a lot more like steep. It's fine, 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, maybe 6.
Yeah, not more. So you can easily walk up here. It's really nice.
But it's really windy.
Yeah, it's quite windy, so we're gonna go down now and we're gonna go have some lunch. I just showed Zofia how to use the camera.
Yeah.
The one that she bought from me, well, from my dad.
Beautiful.
So
I highly recommend Sandra for photography class. Sign up now. Link below.
I'm joking. No, I do like photography and I'm getting more into it like as we go. And I can't wait to get my new camera this month. So excited. We just came back to the flat. It's like 5 now. It's already pitch dark outside, which is very depressing. But we wanted to go to this place called Gostilnica, 5 to 6 kilograms or something like that. And it was packed. We had no reservation, so we couldn't fit in. So then we went to Pop's place, which is one of the burger places you guys recommended to me on Instagram stories. Some of you said it was good, some that it's not that good. How did you like it?
I liked it. I felt like the patty itself could be a bit more flavorful, like it could be more seasoned. It was kind of meh.
Yeah.
And yeah, other than that, it was okay. I think I would agree that it wasn't worth as much as it cost.
Yeah, I agree. It wasn't like a bad burger, but I expected a lot more. So it's not the type that I would necessarily want to go back to. Like there's other places that are much better. So I would give it like a 5 out of 10 probably. 6 out of 10, something like that. Wasn't anything special, but the atmosphere is nice. It's like right by the river. I like the fries. The fries with herbs and parmesan. Those were nice, but nothing special. I'm just packing now. I managed to fit all of those bags that I've showed you in the last video into this bag here. Still not sure if I'll be able to carry it to the train, but I'll try. Now I need to finish packing because I need to leave in like 15 minutes to catch a train. So I'll see you when I'm back in my hometown. And I'm going to like a birthday party of my aunt's partner when I come home. So I'm probably not gonna vlog today, but I'll see you another time. And when do I see you?
You see me whenever you want. Or
yeah,
next
we'll,
time we're free.
we'll hang out again
And
soon.
you will see me. Lord knows when.
Probably the next time we hang out. This is the best surprise to come home to. It is an advent calendar from Anny. I can't even tell you how excited I am about this. I've been wanting a beauty advent calendar for like 5 years now, like ever since they came out. And this year I don't only have one, I have two. One of them I've already shown to you. It's from Makeup Revolution, but today we'll be talking about this one. I was debating whether to wait until December and open it properly day by day, or just listen to the impatient part of my brain and open it now. And I've decided to open it now. A couple of months ago, before I even knew I was gonna get this, I saw an unboxing video of this calendar from a fellow Slovenian blogger, Maya. And because I've already watched it, I kind of know what's inside, and it just makes me feel a little bit less guilty about opening it straight away. But I also want to open it up on camera because I want you guys to see what's inside, in case you're planning to buy one either for yourself or for a friend or whoever. I know the whole point of the advent calendar is to be like surprised about what you get inside every single day in December, but at the same time I know many of you also buy them because they're really good value for money, and it's also great to try out a whole bunch of products from one brand without buying full sizes. So let's open this up together. So once again, here is the full advent calendar. I think it's the cutest ever. I just love the design because it couldn't be more me. I love the color. This is like one of my favorite colors. It matches my walls, it matches my bedding, and I love the combo with rose gold as well. So this would look like very pretty on one of my cupboards over there. In Slovenia, you can get the calendar at Müller, which is a drugstore. If you live here, you know it, but it costs 50 euros, which I think is a good price for an advent calendar. Most are more expensive or about the same price. And apparently the products that you get in here are worth 150 euros, which means that you save 100 euros, which is a lot of money. By the way, if you don't know the brand, Anny, they actually do nail polish / nail products. So this calendar is basically for nail polish lovers. I'm gonna open all the doors now. I'm gonna get the products out and show you the contents. Look, all empty. This makes me so sad because it's such a pretty calendar. But here is what was inside. Let me organize this and run you through it. We have 3 full-size nail polishes. Then we have their 6-in-1. I think this is a base coat, and I believe it's their best seller. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 mini nail polishes. Oh, this one is a gelish like top coat. Very exciting. Don't need a lamp for it, which is great. And then here we have some other nail products. 2 nail art stencils for the French manicure. These were both in one door. Then we have some stickers. Oh my gosh, emojis. I don't normally wear stickers, but this would be like fun for like one of my younger cousins, so I already know where these are gonna go. And then we have a mini nail file, which I love for traveling, a hand cream, and then these 2. This is a polish corrector, it says, but it's basically a nail polish remover in a pen. I don't use them as much on my hands because I'm quite skilled when it comes to applying nail polish, but when it comes to my toes, that's a different kind of story. So these always come in very handy. And then here we have the Keratin Power To Go pen, which says that it's a nail care pen with keratin for more resistant nails. Exciting. I don't have a product similar to that, so I'm gonna give it a try. But let's go back to the nail polishes. As you can see, what, like 18 of these are nail polishes, which means that it's a proper nail polish advent calendar. I wouldn't be happy if I got like 5 nail polishes and the rest would be, you know, other items. So yeah, this I think makes it a really good value for money and just really exciting. I'm actually gonna move to the window and show you the shades so that you can really see how they look like, because it's a little bit dark in this corner here. These 3 big ones I would say are very season appropriate. These are the kind of shades that I usually go for during the winter time. We have a really nice like brownish kind of shade, which is called Oh Dear. Then this one I think is quite interesting. I thought it was more of a gray, but if you take a closer look, I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. There's like silvery particles inside, and it's really pretty. It's called Winter Wonderland. Grayish taupey kind of shade with a bit of a twist. And then this is like full-on glitter for Christmas time. It's called Be a Girl Boss, and it's a top coat. I would love to pair these two together. This will look really nice. And then we have all the mini polishes. 4 of them are more of a metallic kind of shades. Very nice silvery black metallic shade. Then we have Oh Ho Ho, which is a nice like deep red. Oh my god, look how beautiful this is. This one is Santa Baby, and it's almost like a duochrome one. It looks gold, but it also kind of looks pinkish reddish when you turn it around. So yeah, another very unique one. And then this one is called My Date with Santa, and it's a purple like metallic kind of shade. Then here we have what I call the normal ones, although this one, the white one that's called Frosty Snowflake, is a matte one. This is the one I'm really excited about because it's totally my kind of shade for winter. It's called Run Run Rudolph, and it's like a very, very deep vampy red. We also have a really nice nude called Cozy Cozy Coffee. And then these two, which I find really interesting because I don't have anything similar in my collection. This one is called Under the Mistletoe, and it's more of a dark turquoisey tealish kind of shade. I don't know, it's really pretty. And then this one I really like as well, even though I normally don't go for blue shades, but this one I would wear. It's very muted, like kind of, don't know, pastel blue, and it's called Starry Merry Night. And then we have some more red slash pinkish toned shades. This is like a proper red. It's called Woman in Red. Then we have this purplish one, Baby It's Cold Outside. And then we have two that are a little bit more bright for the summertime, I would say. This one is Snow Bunny, and this one is also really nice, I feel like, for summertime. My camera's picking it up as really red, but it has this strawberry bright red undertone, and it's called Red Promise. So yeah, this is what's waiting for you inside the Anny Advent Calendar in case you're gonna get one. Like I said before, I think it's a really good value for money. I have tried Anny nail polishes before, and I do really like them. The consistency for me is just right, and I also love the brush, which is quite wide. I prefer wide brushes. This is what you can expect with their regular nail polishes. This is the brush. And then with minis, the brush is smaller, which I'm not necessarily a fan of, but again, it's like a great way to try out all these different shades and then invest in full-sized ones if you like them. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing part. Like I said, I have another beauty advent calendar this year. It's from Makeup Revolution, the one that we got at the beauty bloggers meetup. If you would like me to unbox that one as well, do let me know. I am very tempted. I actually don't know what's inside that one yet because I haven't seen any videos about it yet, but yeah, if you want to find out, let me know and I'll open it up for you. I don't mind because I'm celebrating Christmas early this year anyways, because I'm off to the other side of the world. So I'm gonna start the whole process a little bit earlier. So yeah, let me know if you want to see what's inside. But now I need to go feed my dog and feed myself, and then I think I'm gonna practice flying the drone with my dad, because that's one of the things I need to cross off my list before I go on my trip. This is today's lunch and yesterday's and probably tomorrow's. I'm having quinoa with red bell pepper and shrimps, and I'm eating it standing up while making my dog his lunch. Come on. Prosim. Yummy. Oh, yummy, bravo! Yeah. To give you a bit of a backstory, yes, I force feed my dog. Not force feed, but I do feed him, otherwise he wouldn't eat. He's been like that since he was a puppy. He never ate voluntarily, and because he has some issues with his blood sugar, again, he's had them all his life, we can't leave him to eat whenever he wants to, because he then starts shaking and yeah, is sick basically. Over the years it's gotten better. He definitely eats more than he used to, and even though he's still really picky, like he wouldn't eat, you know, dry dog food apart from his favorite treats. He normally likes to eat rabbit and venison, very high class. But yeah, he does eat with less begging involved, let's just put it like that. And he definitely gained enough kilos, and he's like fine now. He's like not underweight. But when he was a puppy, we had tons of problems with that because he just wouldn't eat. And I think now he would eat by himself, to be honest, but I think because he got so used to us feeding him, now if you put his food on the plate, like he won't touch it. He'll just like look at you and wait for you to feed him. He's so weird. Like my dog, generally speaking, is really special. He has a lot of quirks, and I feel like one day I should film a video just about him, like a day in Benji's life, because it would probably be hilarious. But yeah, he's also the sweetest, cutest dog, so it's all good. We love his quirks. Completely unrelated, but is anyone else obsessed with Billie Eilish, or is it just me? I can't get enough of her songs. I've had them on repeat for like a week now. They're just so beautiful. And I love the music videos as well. They're very extra, very out of the box. Anyways, I just wanted to finish up this vlog because I just kind of finished editing it and it's way too long again. I'm not sure how I managed to do this every single time. I always think it's gonna be like 5 minutes long, and then it turns out to be like 20. The last one was 30 minutes, which was insane. So I'm gonna try not to do that anymore. I'm gonna try to keep it to 10 minutes. Maybe I'll just start filming 2 vlogs a week instead or something. I don't know. I hope you made it till the end of this one. For those of you that did, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more, hopefully shorter videos, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.